Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to create amazing documentary-style animated videos, but feel held back by the cost of expensive AI tools? Well, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a completely free method to make high-quality documentary-style videos using AI. No credit card, no subscription, no hidden charges. And the best part? You can make as many videos as you want without spending a single penny. So let's jump right into it. The first thing we need is the script or narration for our documentary. For this, we'll be using ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and tell it the topic of your documentary. For example, I asked it, write a short documentary about life in prison. Make sure you clearly ask for narration only, so it gives you a clean, flowing story that you can use as your voiceover script. Once you have your narration, the next step is to generate scene ideas. Still in ChatGPT, ask, give me graphical suggestions for this narration in a scene-by-scene template. What this does is break down your documentary into visual shots, like close-ups, wide angles, montages, or atmospheric scenes. Perfect for animation. Now open a second ChatGPT window and go to Custom GPTs. Search for something like documentary-style 3D image generator. Here's the trick. Copy each graphical suggestion from your first ChatGPT window, paste it into the custom GPT, and will automatically turn that description into a ready-made AI image prompt. Now comes the exciting part, actually making the videos. Go to Grok AI and open the Imagine feature. Paste in the prompt you copied from ChatGPT, hit enter, and Grok will instantly start generating video scenes for you. Here's why Grok is so powerful. It doesn't just give you one video. It gives you multiple variations in a single prompt. You can scroll down and pick the one that best fits your vision. Once you select your favorite, just click Make Video, and in a few seconds, it creates a fully animated clip for you. Each clip is usually around 6 seconds long and often comes with background sound included. And here's a bonus. Grok keeps suggesting more related clips after the first one, so you always have a library of options for every scene. Now, go back to ChatGPT, grab the next graphical suggestion, and repeat the same process. Generate a prompt with ChatGPT. Paste it into Grok. Pick your favorite video. Do this for every scene in your narration. Within minutes, you'll have a full collection of animated clips that match your documentary script. What makes this method even better is the flexibility. You can add your own voiceover narration using the script from ChatGPT. You can customize the scenes, add speeches, or even tweak the visuals to fit your creative style. And since it's all free, you can generate unlimited variations until you're fully satisfied. Yes, sometimes the results might not be perfect, but the sheer number of options means you'll always find something that works. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to make documentary-style animated videos for free using only ChatGPT and Grok AI. This process is fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. No complicated editing, no expensive subscriptions. Anyone can do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing documentaries you'll create with AI.